branded by Mink Pink. Self-tie siya, tapos cotton na pabakuna style, ha? Okay, branded by Mink Pink, large. Hala! O pang summer, mga madam ko, this self-tie 130. Self-tie 130. Maxi, Macy, yours na. Macy, 123, 123. Macy, yours na to. Thank you, Madam Marian. Mag-check si admin, ha? Macy, ay, dinobulak ni Jim na. Miss Jim na, yours. Ay, ano ba to? Ano navy? Macy, yours na si Maxi, ha? DL Fresh, Jelly Akad. Jelly, 123, 123. Jelly Akad, yours na to. Double lock. Miss Jana, Pilton, yours na to, ma. Double lock. Miss Jana, self-tie. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Ganda nito, ma. Miss Jana, 1, 2, and 3. Yours na to, double lock po. Okay, next one. Ay, ang ganda nito. Branded by H&M. Very shala na naman, mga madam. Small mid to, ha. Button down. Bakla. Extra small to semi-mid. Extra small to semi-mid, button down, and then garter yung likod. Branded by H&M. Code ako dito ng silk 130. Hindi. Hindi. Double lock, iba yung naka-double lock. Si Chien. Chien Magayano. Oo. Si Chien, minor na natin ito eh. Chien Magayano. Tingnan mo nga. Wala yan sa listahan natin. Nakita mo? DL Silk Pink Sis Large. Double check ko bakla, ha. DL Silk Knits, yours na to. Madam Knits, yours na to. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, double lock. Pa-down payment na, ma'am, ha. Ayan. Okay, pa-check ako, ma'am. DL, ano yun? Kanina yan kay Mayin, na. Kay Chien pala. Chien, okay. Chien, yours na yung maxing. Medium large na animal print. Teka. Ay, ito bakla. Kaya lang large. Brand new by Pretty Little Thing. Size large me. Size large, side zipper, large up to XL. Branded by Pretty Little Thing. Large to XL. Code ako ng animal. Code animal, 130 pesos. Animal, 130.